In this Lavery tutorial, seeing the future of scholarship. So, you found a great article, you scoured the reference list for additional titles that might work, but what about everyone who has cited the article you just read? How can we look into the future of scholarly articles to see who is citing the article? There are two places to check. One is the database Web of Science through the library, and the other is Google Scholar. Let's start with Web of Science. You either use the title of the article or the DOI to find the record in Web of Science. Make sure to select the correct search field from the drop-down menu. In this case, DOI. If we're lucky, the article we are looking for has been indexed in Web of Science. And we are! Our article, Use of Library Space and the Library as Place, was indexed in Web of Science. So now, let's click into the record for our article. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will see Citation Network. This is where we look for times cited. Notice you can also look at the cited reference here, too. But let's just focus on the times cited. If we click the link for times cited, we can see each of these articles. Now we have a search results list which cited our original title, and that will hopefully produce a few relevant and useful articles. If we hadn't been lucky, we would also be able to use Google Scholar for a similar search. We can again use the title of the article or the DOI to find the article we are looking for. In this example, I will use the article title, Use of Library Space in the Library as Place, making sure to use quotation marks around the title. And right away we see our article. Notice just below the title and abstract there is a link called Cited By. In this case, we see that the article has been cited 111 times. The reason there are more citations with Google Scholar is because they also retrieve citation counts from resources such as books, dissertations and theses, and other non-journal scholarship. The difference between Google Scholar and Web of Science citations is neither good nor bad. It's simply a different way to look at how a piece of scholarship is being used. Thanks for watching this short Lavery tutorial.